Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe with Heritage Ford, and today we are going to be driving this 2014 Audi A4. It's got the 2-liter motor in it. It is all-wheel drive. And we're going to take it around the block here. Tons and tons of pickup. Okay. And this is the premium. So as you can see here, we've got heated seats, leather seats, the sunroof, and we've got the screen on it. Let's see, clear. This car drives really smooth. You still got the sport feel, but it has excellent gas mileage. You're going to get about 29 miles a gallon on the highway, 20 in the city. It's got 73,000 miles on it, almost 74,000. It's a 3-owner, 0 accidents. Handles great around these turns. Like I said, tons of pickup. The all-wheel drive system, really feel it grabbing and going. Hop out and take a look at it. So there it is, the Audi A4. It's a 2014. It's got 73,000 miles on it. 3-owner, 0 accident. It's got the 2-liter motor, and again, you're going to get 29 miles on the highway and about 20 in the city. It's a good looking car at a great price. Don't take my word for it. Stop by and we'll take a test drive today.